Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Area of Success. Today we are going to discussing about some previous year's GATE questions related to metrics. First question, the eigenvalue of a real skew symmetric matrix are options always 0, always pure imaginary, either 0 or pure imaginary, always real. The answer become either 0 or pure imaginary. Okay, the eigenvalue of a real skew symmetric matrix are either 0 or pure imaginary. Next question, all the four entries of the 2 by 2 matrix P is equal to P11, P12, P21, P22 are non-zero and one of its eigenvalue is 0. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, here we have a matrix P. Here we can write P is equal to P11, P12, P21 and P22. Also, they are given one of the eigenvalue is 0. That means lambda should be equal to 0. Then we should find out the true statement from this four statement. Okay. For that, we can write the characteristics equation. What is the characteristics equation in terms of P? Determinant of P minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, we can substitute the values. Determinant of P11, P12, P21 and P22 minus lambda into 1001 equal to 0. We can subtract P11 minus lambda, P12, P21, P22 minus lambda equal to 0. We can take the determinant P11 minus lambda into P22 minus lambda minus P12 P21 equal to 0. We can multiply P11 into P22. Next minus lambda into P22. Then P11 into minus lambda. So minus lambda into P11. Then minus into minus plus lambda square minus P12 P21 equal to 0. Okay. Also in question they are given one of the eigenvalue should be equal to 0. That means lambda is equal to 0. So here we can substitute lambda is equal to 0. So we will get P11 P22. This term becomes 0. This term becomes 0. This term also becomes 0. So we will get P11 P22 minus P12 P21 equal to 0. We can check the option P11 into P22 minus P12 P21 equal to 0. So option B is correct. Next question. The rank of the matrix 1 1 1 1 minus 1 0 1 1 1 is. Here we need to find out the rank of this matrix. For that, first we should find out the determinant of this matrix. We can indicate this matrix become A. Okay. So determinant of A should be equal to 1 into minus 1 into 1 become minus 1. 1 into 0 minus 1 into avoid this row and column. So 1 into 1 become 1. Then 1 into 0 becomes 0. Plus 1 into 1 1 minus plus. Here we get minus 1 2. Here we get determinant value should be equal to 0. So we can take submatrix of this matrix. Okay. So we can indicate B is equal to. We can take this submatrix. Determinant of minus 1 0 1 1. Minus 1 into 1 become minus 1. So its value become minus 1. So we can say the rank of this matrix should be equal to 2 because the order of this submatrix become 2. So rank of A should be equal to 2. Option C. This is GATE 2006 question. Okay. Next question. For the matrix 4, 2, 2, 4, the eigenvalue corresponding to the eigenvector 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 is. Here we need to find out the eigenvalue. The data are given. One matrix we can indicate A. A is equal to 4, 2, 2, 4. Eigenvector also given. So we can write X. X indicating the eigenvector. X is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. We know the equation Ax should be equal to lambda x. So we can substitute the values to this equation. So 4, 2, 2, 4 into x become 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 equal to lambda x. We can multiply. 4 into 1 become 4, 2 into 1 become 2. 4, this term becomes 0. So this element becomes 0. Then 4 into 1 become 4, 2 into 1 become 2. Next 2 into 1 become 2, then 4 into 1 become 4. This element becomes 0. Then 2 into 1 become 2, then 4. It should be equal to 6, 0, 6, 6, 0, 6. Okay. From this matrix we can take 6 common. So we can write 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is our X matrix. This is lambda because Ax should be equal to lambda x. Then what is the eigenvalue of this matrix? It should be equal to 6. Option C.